A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You ever wonder yet how you manage to reach for do the wrong thing them where you decide for do? You ever reach a point where you all a blame God for the wrong thing them where you decide for do? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you see, if you're not subscribed yet, go do it now. No, click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right so. Today, we're going to read from the letter from James, chapter 1, from verse 9 to verse 18. God people them were poor must boast about how God lift them up and put them on top. But the rich people them must boast about how God humble them, because rich people are going to get blown away like wildflowers. When the sun come up and dry up the plant them, the flowers drop off, so it not pretty no more. And the same thing are going to happen to rich people we busy a look about them business. If uno hold on wrong and no give up when you know go through trial and crosses, we come fi test uno are go well happy. Because when the test done, God going give you the crown of life when promise figure everybody will love him. When you feel fi do something where you know say wrong, nobody say God make you feel fi do it. Because nobody can pressure God fi do it wrong. And God no pressure nobody fi do it wrong neither. But when somebody feel fi do it wrong, a sake the wicked sitting way in them heart. The sitting them in them heart pressure them fi do it wrong. After they done plan, the wicked sitting them take control of them and make them sin. And when sin done with them, it kill them. My brother and sister, no fool on yourself. Every good sitting, the sitting them when I have nothing bad about them, come from Father God. We make all I like them we in the sky. But not turn like the light them we make. Them ever change, but him not change up. God make up him mind to give a new life. So him send with the true message. So we could have come in like the first set of food from the field for him. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.